Assalamu alaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. Today we are going to see how to make donuts. Yes, chocolate donuts, cream filled donuts, glazed donuts, and custard filling donuts, French donuts, whipped cream donuts, all that donuts everywhere. So it's going to be very interesting video. I'm sure you will love it. So to start ahead with, we need a nice and a clean bowl along with a sieve. Ingredients are in the description box clearly. Please have a look at it. First, here I am sieving in flour along with all-purpose flour along with the cocoa powder and icing sugar. Once I sieve this, I will add instant yeast. You can also use dry activate yeast as well. I'll give a mix and then I'll add semi-melted butter, or you can also use melted butter or just room temperature butter with one egg and some milk, warm milk, and ensure that you get a sticky dough out of it. Once you get a sticky dough, take little bit of room temperature butter and knead the dough so that it leaves your fingers out clearly. And now I will just drizzle some flour on the compartment and start kneading in the dough until it becomes soft and smooth. See, after 5 minutes you might reach this dough, soft and smooth dough. Now I'll just take a clean bowl, spray some butter, or you can also grease it, and let it rest for it to double up. Moving on to the next dough, I'm going to sieve in the flour first, add the yeast. Again I'm using activated yeast, instant yeast. So I'm adding icing sugar along with butter, egg and milk, warm milk. Again the same process, sticky dough and then kneading in the dough with some flour. Once this is done, the smooth dough is formed and this needs to rest again. So both the doughs will be resting until they double up. Meanwhile, I'll be preparing in my chocolate glaze. Here I'm using dark chocolate along with some whipped cream I'm using to form a glaze. Once these glazes are ready, I'm just adding some color, red and green, as National Day is close to. So I'm just using a theme of red and green as the flag has red and green color. Moving on to the cream filling. First I'll show you how I made the custard filling. To a warm milk, I'm just adding custard powder and boiling it. Once it comes to a boiling point, I'll add sugar and mix it well. And once that is done, I'll add an egg yolk and mix it well until it thickens up. And this is done on a medium flame. Ensure that you keep your flame very medium. Okay, now I'm going to sieve it and then let this cool down. Meanwhile, I'll prepare my whipped cream as well. Look at the dough. They have nicely puffed up, they are doubled up, and they are ready now for the next stage. Here I'm going to just place the flour and drop in the dough on it and knead the dough once again before I start rolling it out. After rolling it out, I'll just cut into the donut shapes or French donut shapes as well. Once this is done, I'll let them rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on to the next part of the white dough. Again, I'm going to knead and then roll it and again cut the shapes of the donut and French donut. Once this is done, again these need to rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to divide the donuts into two equal parts, like one of the donuts will be baked and one part of the donuts will be fried. So here I'm frying it in a very medium flame. Once the donuts are turning brown in color, I'm just removing them off, as you can see, and this is done in a very medium flame. I'm just drizzling some icing sugar on top. If you want, you can do. If you don't want, you can leave it. It's up to you. Once this is done, look at this. These are baked donuts. Right now they are very hot and they look as if they are very hard as well. But after some time, you can feel they are very soft and spongy. And these are fried donuts. The glaze is ready, as I told you earlier. I'm just going to dip the chocolate donut in the chocolate glaze and in the sprinkles next. So the chocolate sprinkled donuts is ready. Moving on to the next. This is now going to my children's now. So I'm just making another one just to show you all when I'm going to do the final part. Now I'm going to fill this French donut with the cream filling. This is the whipped cream filling which I'm giving. You can give any, even buttercream filling also is fine. Any filling which you like, strawberry filling, pistachio filling, up to you. Now here I'm going to give a double color, like as I told you, National Day is ahead. So double color donut and the cream filling donut And for some of the donuts, I also did custard filling donuts. And some I left it just like that, sugar glazed donuts. Okay, so there you go. That's done. Isn't it simple? Oh my god, I finished it. I thought my video was going to go very long. I gave some matcha flavor. I gave some pistachio flavor. This is royal icing which I did, and it came out really very nice. And this is the I just wanted to show you how it is. Look at it, guys. Wow. That was custard filling, and this is whipped cream filling donut. We really enjoyed these donuts. If you want to enjoy, you have to make it. So go ahead and try this recipe. Share your whatever experiences you have had, and share your pictures as well. So stay tuned with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. There's still lots more to come, and wish you all happy National Day in advance. See you soon with another recipe. Take care. Until then, Allah Hafiz.